Hey everyone, so I got myself a new project here. This car is gonna need work, a lot of work, but I think we can get it up and running. I got it for pretty cheap, so let's see what we can do with it. Right now I'm gonna see if I can get it just up and running. It was turning on before, but I can't get it to turn on anymore. But let's see what it is. As you can see, the paint is bad. I took out the computer already. It's having a communication issue. The gauges are not working. The car was turning on at one point, and I took it apart. I took apart the ECM and tried to repair it. Unfortunately, I didn't capture video on that repair, but it's still not working. So I have to check it out again. So right now what I'm gonna do is put more gas, because last time I didn't have gas. And this shock here needs to be replaced. But basically, this is going to be my next project. I'm going to try to do this project as cheap as possible. I got the car for $1,200. I don't want to spend more than $3,000 overall. That's my goal. A cheap Corvette. But definitely I'm going to attempt to paint some of this stuff myself. Well, attempt to paint the car myself. So I'm still trying to turn on the car. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought this fuel pressure regulator. As you can see, it's pretty low. I tried starting the car and that's where it's at. So I'm thinking the fuel regulator is bad. I can see a little bit of fuel coming out in here. And the car turns on. Well, it turns on but for a second, then it turns off. So I'm assuming that might be the problem. So right now I'm just taking off trying to take these guys off. Alright, so I removed the, sorry I didn't capture most of this stuff. It was kind of hard to work on it, by myself, with no help. I got these guys off. I got the fuel rail off. So I'm gonna replace the regulator for the fuel regulator. And I'm probably gonna clean these injectors here. mean, it was pretty easy to remove. Just 4 bolts, and then the clips. You push in the clips. Hard to tell. Oh, there you go. You guys can see that.